All right. What's up, my peoples? Yo, boy JV back at it again. It is 3:47 a.m. 9/14/2020. So, oop, put the charts back on here. So right now we just sold EurUsd. Um, we had sold it earlier right here, and we got stopped out right here, and we just sold again right on top. And the reason why, I have the DXY behind me and EurUsd. I have 1 minute time frames on each screen here. I have another two screens over here where I have the 30-minute time frame on each. And then here I have the 4 hour time frame, but I'm putting it on the minutes just to show you guys what's popping. So right here on the minutes, it had been messing around, going lower here, and here it finally hit a double bottom with slight divergence, and same here, double top with some divergence there. So whenever we saw that, we entered the position again, boom, and we're gonna see if the dollar can keep on rallying to the upside, and we'll see if we can manage to break below um, the 1.18570 again, and we'll see how that goes. So 30-minute time frame, this is what we're looking at. All right, we're creating some little dojis there right after this breakout. So we're gonna see if we hold price action around here, and then are able to fall. But yeah, it looks really good. 5 minutes, 1 minute looks good on the break. And this 30-minute, we have another 10 minutes left. So another doji will be built, and we'll see how the 4 hour ends up looking like. So right now, we still have to wait 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. If that candle does not push all the way back up here, then that candle will most likely consolidate around this area here, and all the way to this wick. This whole area is a potential drawdown zone for the dollar to come down, and then that would make this mess around sideways in the hour time frame. And if we do that in the hour time frame, mess around here just a bit, we might be able to it's out the way. We might be able to push it up a bit. Cortana says she's listening. What the heck? All right, sorry. So we might be able to push it up just a little bit more and touch the trend. But I was following this here, and that's what broke out of there. So I want to see something just come back into this area. Hopefully here in the next couple of hours. If not, then we could definitely see this touch, and then a beautiful drop from there. So from the first entry, we were risking 15 pips. Well, a little bit less actually. We're risking 10 pips on that one. We're risking 10 pips on that one. On this one, we're risking 15 pips to around here. But we're probably just gonna let this one ride out and let it swing out on there for around a 30 pip stop loss. Yeah, That'd be perfect. So 30 pip stop loss on this one, and we're just gonna let it ride out. 50 pip take profit one from that area. And then if you go to the next range, you're looking at 100 pip, take profit 290 to 100 pip. And then of course, if we manage to go and start on the daily there, then we could definitely see the rally all the way down. This daily candle will close somewhere around here. So 80 pip profit, anywhere from the 70 pip, really, from the 70 pip to the 100 pip take profit, and we'll be good from there. We could go all the way down here, and man, 200 pips. What more can we ask for? 30 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. That'd be the best scenario here. And of course, some people would say, well, I have it going 400 pips, which it could definitely happen. I will hold a small position to 400 pips, and I will re-enter if we manage to break through this area, which you're looking at around the 1.6420 area. We managed to break through there and then have a retouch somewhere around that area again. Then I will definitely look for a potential sell again. So if we break from there, another sell to the 400 range, 1.1, 400, 1.1, 450, around that area. So that is the outlook for the week, really, because we're looking at around 1, 2, 3. So this week we should at least touch the 200 pip target, and then next week we should be going to see if we're going to consolidate from here, or if we're going to the 1.1500 area. So these are pretty much the targets here. They are Fibonacci levels. I'm not going to go over bottom, but are the fibs that I'm looking at, and move out the way. And this right here is the DXY, in case y'all hadn't seen what was next to it. So we always try to put the DXY next to the dollar pairs that we're trading, especially EurUsd. And we have a couple different screens so that we can see the different time frames. You know, as they get created. So we like to see all the time frames. Well, me personally, I like to see all the time frames at the same time, and I could see pretty much how the organism is, being built. So right now it is looking really, really, really good for the continuation on the way down. And I'm gonna show you something real quick. All right, so check this out. Okay, so on the minutes, you go to the minutes and reset. Check this out. This was the initial break from the minute, and this is my divergent entry. And then we're going, and then just retouched, so we just went in again. All right, so again, divergent entry, boom, we're going, we just retouched, boom, we're going again. So beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it rolling, and we're gonna stay live for about an hour. We'll go from there. All right. Well, about 30 minutes. We'll cut the live off around 4:30 a.m. and see what we can do here. So Right now, again, we have an entry here, and we have another entry right here. All right. On this first entry, if we were scalping it and following it, we could definitely move the stop loss. Let's say we had the stop loss up here or whatnot, right? And now that we have dropped, retested, and did another slight drop, we could move it here. We could move the stop loss here. And then once this does the next drop, next retest, and drops again, then you can move it right underneath that next one. Oh, let me draw it out. Be a little easier. Okay, so bam, we go right back up, and then there, that's whenever you move the stop loss to that third one. Whenever we're already coming down from there, move it right on top of that one. So again, we start up here, right? And then you move it to here, and then you're just moving it to there, and you're just trailing it. Right now, me personally, I'm good with the 30 pip stop loss. Let it roll, let it roll. We'll see what the dollar can do for us. Put it back on a bigger time frame. We are about to hit the 4 a.m. 4 a.m. mark, so we're about to close a 4-hour candle, okay? Let's see. Oh, we got 3 minutes left actually, so this time is wrong. Wrong. We got 3 minutes left, and man, that markets are moving. All right, you can't really see it on the fours, but I have the 30 minutes here next to me. You could see it there, and well, I mean, you can't really tell too much on the minutes here, but it broke the higher high and the lower low that each one had on 30 minutes. So that's really good, you know. So it's breaking through at the last minutes, which is always a really good indicator, because those last minutes, man, they'll get you with some moves. But whenever it's moves like this, it's really good, so that the new hour can have enough space to do a slight retrace. So let's say that this 30-minute candle closes real nice somewhere right there. The more that it pushes down, the less of a retrace the next candle, you know, you're looking to potentially have. So if it pushes down all the way down here, then we could just have a little retrace there and then, you know, go down. But if it closes up here, then retrace possibly, you know. You get what I'm saying? So if ooh, look at that. So if it closes underneath, that's already a reversal pattern right there, and it is already coming back into our zone, like I was talking about, that we need to come back into our zone here so that we don't go all the way up to touch the trend line. Beautiful reversal on the DXY and on EurUsd. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. All right, and right here as well. So now on the minute chart, we are waiting for that drawing that we said. All right, that's what we're waiting on next. Let's see if we can achieve the next goal. All right. Well, while we wait on this, what's up? What do we talk about? What do we talk about while we wait on this, guys? We talk about some cryptos. We talk about some philosophical theories, life. What do we talk about, man? Let me know, peeps. I know it's probably no one watching right now at 4 in the morning. But hey, whoever watches this later, let me know. Y'all can catch the next live, and I could know what to talk about then, right? Ooh, okay. We're pushing. We are pushing. So we might not even see that retrace right now. We might push up. Come on. We might just see this push down, and then we'll have to retrace from here. What? Yeah, a little wicked slightly, but we'll see. I don't even know if I can listen to music while I'm doing this. For real. Because I don't know if YouTube's gonna freaking take my video out for what would you call trademark, or what would you call licensing? I don't know what you would call it. But I know they be tripping sometimes, so I don't even know if I can play some, put my headphones on then. Really. All right. Well, just waiting on it, guys. This is trading right here. This is trading. Some side playing GTA. Some side to be watching Netflix. Right now, like I said, I don't want to get in trouble for putting any music or anything on while I do this, so it's just kind of quiet at times. It is what it is. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Wait for the setup to happen, go in, and don't get faked out. Don't get faked out. So we went in again here, we lost 10 pips, and then we saw this re-entry, or was it down here? Well, wherever. We lost 10 pips somewhere in this zone. Yeah, it was here. We lost 10 pips, and then we hit the re-entry. It is going pretty good at the moment. We do need to break through this zone here, like we said earlier. And right now we're gonna see if we're gonna do the shoulder retrace to build a wick, or we're just gonna start dropping already. But we hit target number 1, 25 pips, we will secure the bag on some of that, and then we will go to the following steps, which I don't know if I'll explain them to you right now. Yeah, I guess I could explain them right now. I mean, the following steps, pretty much after that, we will just have to keep on rolling with what is going on next. So I need to see this breakout and touch here. If we manage to do that, we could see a retrace, mess around, hit these times. So somewhat around that. Who knows? You know, it could just different scenarios. It come here and it could just rebound. So one thing that is for sure is that whenever this thing comes back down here, I will definitely break even on my trades. I will not move the stop loss all the way down here, uh, which of course you can, especially if you're stacking and you're stacking pretty heavy on the leverage, then of course move it. But me personally, I'm gonna just break even on my entries, especially this one. I'm gonna just secure the bag right there so I don't go negative in case it decides to do some funny. Uh, but I'm not gonna move it too crazy because this thing could mess around and just tap that and then go down. I don't mind losing this entry at a break even. Um, but I just don't want to go negative on it. You know, but I don't mind losing it if it comes to it. If it goes up there and kicks me out, it is what it is. At least I still have my position in there, right? So that is why I really don't really mind. All right, so dollar index has just done a retest. Boom. We're gonna see how heavy it goes on that. Um, and again, you know, we have on this one. Okay, so again, on this one, we have a 15 pip stop, but right now right now I did move it. I put it right on top of it. I think it was less than that. 740. Well, I guess it's a 740. So I mean 7 pip stop loss. And then from this entry, I have it right on top of where the other one is at. So I have it here at a 5 pip stop loss. So that's how I have them right now, so that I can give them a little room to breathe. I have a swing that I am gonna hold with a 30 pip stop, and I'm gonna let that one ride for 200 pips. That's what I'm going for on that one. But I am stacking some orders on another one, and yeah, you know, little 7, little 5. As soon as I get a push down here, breaking this, boop, we are gonna move to what I said, break even on both of them. Because once that starts rolling, I think we're gonna see some good movement. But then again, who knows? This is the Forex game. So yep, looking good, guys. Looking good. We have done the retest that we projected, and we are doing real good on it. Real good. Did the rebound. Let's see if we can break. Okay. Going. So once we hit here, definitely break even, and we'll see if we could just bam break through there and go to our 25 pip take profit 1. lot of people would be like, bro, well, take profit one really would be at this trend line. Yeah, it could be. You could definitely take profit at 15 pips there. Definitely for sure. But I don't know. I am really going for some bigger moves here, guys. So take to the 25 pips. 25 pips. Oh, there you go. So yeah, 25 pip zone. Yeah, 20 pip range. But yeah, going to around that area. Another way that I really identify when I need to kind of get out, three wave movements, and divergence, guys. So this right here, 1, 2, 3 wave movement. Oh, well, there you go. Yeah, that's a little mini trade. But once the 3 wave movement happens, you're gonna see this consolidation. And once the 3 wave movement happens, that's why you have to break even. Because of that 3 wave movement, it could go and break it, or it could go ahead and do the break down here, which would end up, well, looking like this. It could mess around and then break out, or it could just do it beautifully on the trend and bam, break out of there. But either way, once that third wave hits, shit, do what you gotta do. Take profit or break even, because shit, after that, it's a 50-50, guys, to be honest. Once you get to this point, it's a 50-50. It could go, bam, it could go and kick you out all the way up or just here, or it could just break through it, completely break through. But yep, you're kind of risking it at this point, and that is why I'm breaking even. I'm risking it for the biscuit. I'm not taking the 15 pips profit. Risking it for the biscuit. Right. Just got a notification from Coinbase. Chainlink is down 10.29%. It is $11.81, guys. So Chainlink is getting to a really good price to cop it for a steal. Whoever's been seeing the videos, y'all know I'm really big on Chainlink. Whoever's been watching them from the get-go knows I've been calling it since it was at $1.75. And before then, I was saying to buy, but I hadn't made any videos. So check this out. We're just messing around, but man, look at that wick. That is a nice wick, pushing the bulls all the way back down. So looks really good. Looks really good to me. We'll see how long it takes for it to push down. 5 minutes. Minutes over here. 4 hours. Put on the, oh, this is the 30s. Ooh. Ooh, whoa, chill. Starting to yawn, chill. All right, 4 hours. This 4 hours barely started, but we have to wait for 5 a.m. for the currency, US dollar currency index to freaking finish. So still need like another 45 minutes or so for this to close out. This 4 hour. It's looking pretty good to me, man. It's looking pretty good. Nice doji. Nice wick on that. That's what I meant. Nice wick there. And This next 4 hour candle, from the looks of it, cannot go higher than that in my point of view. Gotta grind somewhere right here, like I said, on this smaller time frames. Grind there and go lower. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, man. Freaking the humming. Wedding. The song, what the heck? Oh, let's see what happens. But yeah, guys, this is the life, man. Waking up 12 a.m., 1 a.m., look at the charts, and see what's in store for us. I believe that right now we're gonna see some very volatile markets in the next couple of months. Right now it's been lame for the last month and a half. Just 5 weeks of just lame moves, consolidation zones, just lame. So once we break out of this huge 5 week, 6 week consolidation, whoa, excuse me, around 6 week consolidation that we've been having, oh man, we're gonna see some big moves. Uh, I'm still going for the bullish dollar until the elections, and after the election, oh man, better hold on to your horses, because them horses are fixing to go down, all the way down. What do I mean by that? The dollar is gonna crash. Dollar's gonna crash. Housing market is gonna crash. Man, everything's gonna crash. Why? How? How do I know? Just common sense, man. Common sense from ugh, other people that haven't been able to pay their rent right now, and they've got this like what is it, ban eviction ban, whatever, right? You can't get kicked out, you can't get evicted because the government has a ban against you getting evicted right now. So all of these landlords, they gotta suck it up right now. But as soon as this ban gets lifted, all these landlords are gonna be like, bye. So that's millions of people just homeless. That's fucking sad. It's fucking scary. So millions of people, boom, homeless. And then what? What's gonna happen after that? Well, there's all these houses. There's no one to rent them. These landlords, they're gonna have to let some go. They're gonna have to let some go, because it's what you do, right? Whenever you got all these bills still to pay, there's no money coming in. Get rid of some of the properties. Since there's not really gonna be, the market's gonna be all kinds of funny. Gotta let them go cheap, just like '08, 2008. If you look it up, man, you caught some deals. So right now, same thing. You'll probably catch some deals 50% off, maybe higher, right? Ugh, sorry. So once that happens and all these houses get sold, boom, no one to, well, there's gonna be people picking them up, but there's not gonna be really what we're made out of the most is consumers. you know, consumer spending. If there's all these homeless people, who's gonna be buying the houses? Like investors, but actual people that are consuming, actual people that are paying freaking whatever, right? I don't know, any kind of consumer products. You're buying anything, even gas to go out. Right now, people are not really going out, people are not spending. And imagine millions of people go homeless. All those homeless people are not gonna have money to go spend, you know, to go consume. So once that happens, it's all gonna happen at the same freaking time too. It's all gonna come together just simultaneously, just domino effect. Uh, so once dominoes start rolling, man, it's kind of messed up, but it's time to make money type shit, you know? So, yeah. Well, Euro, USD. Oh, oh my goodness. Euro USD has come back. Ooh. Ooh. Ugly. Ugly. All right, so we're still on these trades. Let's see what happens in the next couple of minutes. Four hours. Well, if it'll just mess around for the next 4 hour candle, 30 pip stop loss will do. But if you're kind of leveraging it, then just get out at the 5 pip stop loss. Um, and which would be like right here on top. And once it hits that 5 pip stop loss from this entry, well, y'all probably got, well, yeah, if anybody's even on the video live. But first entry that we got, second entry that we got, we're negative now on this second entry. This entry, we are still right there, barely positive. But yeah, we're risking a total of 10 pips on this trade, 5 pips on this one. And on this one, ooh, stop loss is right on this entry. I am gonna move the stop loss on this one. Nah, on that one I'm not, because I have one account that I'm swinging in. I have one account that I'm just stacking orders, scalping through. This was supposed to be a 25 pip scalp, and it was originally a 10 pip stop loss. It ended up becoming a 5 pip once it dropped. So if this goes and hits the 5 pip stop loss, it is what it is. Then if this goes up, boom, and hits that 5 pip stop loss, that'll be 10 pips I lost, which was the original 10 pips, you know, which is the point. That's why it's like, nah, I'm not even gonna move it, because then it's only 15 pips. I don't trying to do all that. So keep the original 10 pips on this leveraged trade. They're all leveraged, right? But nah, if you know what I mean by leverage, you're using the leverage on this one to maximize the gains. So we're gonna leverage those 25 pips to maximize it, risking 10 pips total like we originally did. But now we have two entries, and we're gonna see once we hit the target, we'll take profit on at least one of those. At least take some profit, because we're pretty deep in here, guys. So, see, 20 pips will not be bad at all. But we'll see what's popping. USD index. USD index is looking good. It's looking good, guys. That nice. Yeah, I'll just be on live for another 5-10 minutes. Just so we wait to see if we break the little zone. What zone? This zone, guys. Come on. That zone right there. Remember? All right. So. Oh, there goes the DXY. Moving. Moving like it's moving. So what's up, guys? Tell me if y'all been catching some nuggets. What are nuggets? If y'all been catching some knowledge, guys. Y'all been learning at least something new. Then you know what I mean. Let me know if you want to learn something more about something in specific. Like maybe you wanna learn about some Fibonacci or you know what I mean. Whatever. Just let me know, guys. Got you. I got you. I can't wait till there's a couple people on the chat live. We could actually have a conversation. You know, that'd be lit. It's gonna be lit. All right, peeps. It is looking good. It is looking good, guys. Are we gonna break? Are we gonna break? Oh, I think we're gonna break. Posting it up, posting it up. Ooh, we just broke through there. We broke through there on the DXY, guys. Dangerous. EurUsd's coming. It's coming next. Just broke through on the DXY. You're like, what are you talking about? Well, I'm looking at it on my minute time frame. That's why I got all the time frames, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Hella good, guys. Hella good, right? I know. I know, guys. I know. I'm looking at the 30 minutes. I'm looking at the hours, guys. They are looking good. All right, I'm just 30. I'm a little iffy. I'm just 30. Thinking we might see another little push up on this 30. Oh, look. Let me show you. Let me show you. Check out this 30 minute. You might see a push up. Another wick. Or, boop. Hopefully, right? This hour, though. This hour is looking really good for this hour to kind of do something, right? Something good. But we'll see. We'll see. The 4 hours is looking good. It's pushing all the way back up on the DXY. So let's see what happens. So there it goes. Making the doji, making the wick. Making the wick. How you get them wick entries? That is exactly how you get the wick entries, guys. Angel Rush. Angel Rush. Those entries, guys. Those entries. You can see it? I don't think you can. On the peak. Let's see. Come on, Billy. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. And gold is a nice little trade too, but not even gonna get into any other crazy pairs, guys. Let's just stick to EurUsd for now, right? But gold is going to be a really good buying opportunity around, thinking November, December. For the past years, it's done really well in those months. All right, all right, all right. Mm-hmm. Let's get it rolling. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna sign off. Should I sign off, guys? Nobody there. Yes, I'm gonna sign off since there ain't nobody here. If there was somebody here to actually answer me back, I might be like, I might just stay a couple more minutes. But I threw off enough nuggets for the night. So hope y'all watch the video. I hope y'all learned something, and hope next time y'all catch the trades live, because we already profit. Yup. Little 13 pips profit. What? In the quickness. All right. Zero drawdown, baby. What? Well, second entry we had 4 pip drawdown. Whatever. Let's get it. Much love, guys. I'm outie. Before I bail out, let me just give you outlook. Ooh, look at that. This is where we started, guys. Remember? This is where we started. This shit was pushing up. We got that down here. What? And now this is where we're at, an hour and a half or so later. Bam. So this thing is just gonna keep pushing up. Let's get it moving. Let's get it rolling. All right, guys. Y'all have a blessed one. Put it in the comments. Anything. Just to know that somebody's getting some nuggets out there. All right. Let me see, how do I stop this live? Let me see, how do I do this? All right.